Ajila Pola Khuburti, Government of Nagaland Country, State Pitor Jal Jivan Mission, JJM Laga Allegation, Juli Thakya Karni, Departmental Inquiry Committee, DIC from Krugena, Detailed Investigation Krubole, Set Kurlushakoena, Jonai Di Asem. Sources the committee toli, Commissioner and Secretary of Corporation, Zaring Thang Izang, Chart Krugena, Alag Department, Members, Mission, Director of SBM, Additional Director of Treasures and Account, Deputy Secretary of PHED Inika Milagina, within 45 days Machiti, detailed project report and JJM guideline crossing checking data in integrated management information system with actual implementation, grievances and identifying lapses Inika Pisargina, detailed inquiry Rakhi Lobokoi di Asem. Sources the itu inquiry choli thakya to Nagaland Transparency Public Right Advocacy and Direct Action Organization Khanbara Jal Jivan Mission under accountability demand kuri thakya asapti inquiry committee set up kuri ase aro 2 moina opor effort digena fight kuri aha state government khan action loi dia nimiti NTPRADAO khan gratitude experts kuri di ase. Inquiry set up hoja karni jakali organization announcement ti public protest and mass agitation rukhi jagina detailed report rukhi sabo aro inquiry ti corruption mishamshi practices nakru bole warning kri disha aro JJM scheme under budget of 1649.35 crore of rupees digena rural household Nagaland state ti tap pipeline connection krubole digena thakya fruits of development enjoy krubole lake koi dia ase. Khobote jagali jui hatsa dangor thaik bosti block 1 te ulagina warehouse furniture unit sofa seat banai thakya pura puri chulai dishe koina khobor dia ase aro jui hatsa toli 2 baji phujor inikatamte ulagena thakya suspected krilui ase. Reporte jui hatsa toli 2 khanda logina mutai disha aro fire and emergency service ko asapti fire personnel khantu khobor pasat immediate action logina duita fire truck west fire station aro central fire station bra tinta deploy kurgina control kurloshi ko ase. Ju hatsa connection ti manu jokhum kridia eku khobor nai aro hatsa tuli electric circuit bra ulagina thagibole suspected kuriloi ase aro property estimate tuli 50 to 60 lakh laga cholai digena thagya jonai di ase. Dimapur police khan khobor di thakya asapti ja kali 7 baje ada inikatamti station manager of Northeast Frontier Railway Dimapur side bra written memo receive kura asapti rangha bahar aro thaik bosti macheti mota ekjon railway track bra muri jagena thakya report dishe ko ase. Written memo pa asapti duty party khan spot ponchigena verification ti unidentified non-local male umar 60 nishna railway track bra muri jagena thaksha aro dead body check kurgena satamti running train bra girai digena thakya suspected kriloi ase. Deputy Commissioner of Police Crime PRO Dimapur press release ti legal formalities khan sob krila apshiti postmortem examination aro identification karni district hospital pathai digena deceased toli black jacket blue long pant aro blue t-shirt inika pukhiena thakya jonai di ase. Itu karni khandan nahulipi jana baje thakse kuli officer in charge government railway police station Dimapur 7085055021 te kol kugena khobor kru bole jonai thakya viewers khange jankari di ase.